right now living a great historical moment where Lake Hussein summit happening in Switzerland between United States of America and Iran, brokered by Qatar and Pakistan along with Turkey, is a moment that the world will remember for ages. And here are 5 things that you must know about this historic diplomatic event. Number 1, the United States of America's hegemony is now over. The world is no more a unipolar world where America can get up any day and tell anybody to do what they want them to do. This hegemonic reality of the world has now changed. Number 2, Iran has proved that United States of America has lost another foreign war, which means Vietnam and Afghanistan were not one of their kinds where America lost a war on the foreign land. In fact, it is a pattern. United States of America, the only superpower of the world, just cannot win a war on the foreign lands. In fact, it has a pattern of losing wars. Number 3, President Trump has run out of all the options. He has tried every military option, I mean aerial bombing and naval blockade, and economic oppression, I mean sanctions, and yet Iran stands tall. The same person who in 2018 in his first term said that Barack Obama's 2015 diplomatic signing of JCPOA with Iran was an embarrassment to America is right now sitting on a diplomatic table with Iran himself because he knows that Iran stands tall and the idea of a regime change in Iran has failed. Number 4, President Trump wishes to leave West Asia, a place known as Middle East because of the colonial language that we all use, because he is now done with this place. He wishes to move to Arctic region just like President Barack Obama, who wished to leave Afghanistan to shift his focus to China in the Pacific Ocean. It is a greater geopolitical decision that is taking place in America right now. Last but not the least, at number 5, the world order has changed. America is no more the hegemonic power of the world. It has lost wars time and time again against the smaller powers of the world or no powers at all like Afghanistan and Iran, which comes to prove that China and Russia, who have helped Iran quite openly in this war, are now a powerful reality of the world, and the world has moved towards multipolarity.